The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and Research Development Center is taking on 3D printing. They want to learn more about the potential hazards that 3D printers and the materials could have on the environment. WJTV's Griffin Hardy went to Vicksburg to learn more.
In a small group of laboratories located just outside of Vicksburg, a team of engineers and researchers are finding new ways to apply 3D printed materials to our everyday lives. Carbon nanotubes are a particular type of material that could have potential for structural, electrical, and mechanical applications. Dr. Mark Ballantyne walked us through the ins and outs of how these materials are tested at their facility.
This technology is actually taking off very quickly, so there's a lot of new printers and new materials that are constantly coming out where there's not a lot of regulation, there's not a lot of research on the materials themselves, and majority of the materials are perfectly safe. So this is an example of something that you could print at your home, and in fact this was printed at home. This is PLA plastic.
One way the team has discovered the materials are safe to use is through toxicity testing on zebrafish and different types of worms. The discovery allows engineers to focus more on application instead of safety.
We're starting to add our own additives, putting nanomaterials into the different plastics so that they have different electrical applications, different strength applications. You can kind of see where this is going for projectiles and armor, and basically studying the impacts and how those materials interact so we can have multifunctional materials that can sense things. So it starts getting pretty diverse.
Dr. Kennedy has also helped create special kinds of software for consumers, software that will help educate consumers on how to properly handle different types of 3D printed items. Whether it's a civilian at home or a soldier in combat, the research at ERDC is simplifying a seemingly daunting technology and making it easier to understand for the rest of us. Reporting in Vicksburg, Griffin Hardy, WJTV 12.